So, Ajay, how's school?
It's good, Uncle Raj. Exams are coming up soon.
Exams, exams, exams. That's all you ever talk about. Don't you get tired of cramming books all day?
I want to do well, Uncle.
What good will that do? You spend all this time studying, and you'll probably end up just sitting around at your father's shop anyway. Much better to learn a practical trade there. Make some real money.
But Uncle, I want to be an accountant. I like numbers and calculations.
Accountant? Come on, Ajay. That takes years of studying, and for what? You'll be stuck behind a desk crunching numbers while I'm out there. Living life?
Almost done. Almost done.
Still at it, Ajay? Burning the midnight oil again?
Almost finished with these practice problems, Uncle Raj. My CA finals are next week.
CA finals? Huh? You sure are serious about this whole accountant thing.
I am, Uncle. I want to prove to you that studying can lead to something more than just sitting at the shop.
Suit yourself, but don't come crying to me if things don't work out. Ajay, is it really you?
Uncle Raj, good to see you. How have you been?
I'm good. But tell me, what are you doing these days? Still stuck in some stuffy accounting office?
Not quite, Uncle. I'm a chartered accountant now, working for a multinational corporation.
A CA? You? But how?
A lot of hard work, dedication, and late-night studying, just like I said I would years ago. I'm doing well, Uncle. Really well. I'm making a good salary, over 20 lakhs per annum.
20 lakhs? That's more than I've made in my entire life.
Uncle, I don't mean to brag. I just wanted to show you that studying can open doors you never thought possible.
You were right, Ajay. I underestimated you.
It's never too late to learn, Uncle Raj. Maybe you could take some evening courses, learn a new skill.
I didn't think that a person can go on such a high level with his study. I didn't know the value of the education.
No problem, but don't demoralize a person, mainly a child, who is doing something good in his life. It can move his mindset to some other direction, and that is not well.
Yeah, now I got it. I will surely take care of this. Maybe I'll also learn some good skills that will help my business grow to the next level.
Sure, I can also help you with that. We'll meet soon.